Hello, this is Randy Ripke. I'm the owner of Accurate Messages and the developer of TASbiller Cloud. This is another video in the Keep It Simple series, how Accurate Messages programs are hosted Startel to help keep things simple. This video we're going to cover using on-call members in a client dispatch script, and this is about as tricky as it gets. So this is a situation where you have a message form and you want the script to behave based on the person that's on call, the member that's on call. So let's start. We're here in Randy's test account at 9,000 you're all familiar with now. And the first thing you need to do is make sure your CMC on-call plugin is configured correctly. So we have the on-call enabled, we have the schedule selected. We're automatically going to display the schedule when a fresh call comes in on this account. We're going to auto import the member information into the message form. The next part of that is the message form, of course. And this is our on-call ER message form. And the only significant difference from this one and the other message forms I've shown you, this one has a to field. So this is saying, where is this message going to? Which member? So we're going to have on the to field, we're going to have it display the menu of the member list, and we're going to have it import the on-call based on the member's name. So it's going to pull the member's name from the on-call schedule, find the associated member, and insert it into our message form for us. And now let's write the dispatch scripts. So we have our other two for the other two office or types of messages that we have. So we're going to create a new one now, and let's say that Randy is on call. And as before, we get to choose the form. So this is just for the on-call ER message form. Now the difference here is the dispatch owner is going to be the member. So we're going to choose Randy Test. And we save this. And the first step, because our client wants everything emailed to the distribution list first, we're going to email to our management team on all messages, right? And then we're going to add a step. And the first thing I want to do is send Randy an SMS. So we're going to SMS, we're going to choose Randy's test. And we're going to wait 15 minutes. And then if we haven't heard back from Randy, we're going to call him. Oops, no, my extension, my cell, and we're going to have a 5-minute delay and one retry. And now in this scenario, I can have information, because we're on a client dispatch script, of other members. So if Randy doesn't answer the phone, we are then going to try and call Lisa. So we're going to have another phone transport here, and we're going to choose Lisa, and again we're going to retry and have a 5-minute delay. So this is a dispatch script for the ER on-call message form based on the selection of Randy Ripke Test member. Now say we're going to have another possibility that Lisa might be on call. The neat thing, I can take this script that I've written and copy it, and I'm just going to change the name to a Lisa message and associate the member Lisa. Save. The first step, the email doesn't change. The second step is the SMS is now going to be, we're just going to change this to Lisa's SMS. And we're going to call Lisa instead of Randy. Now in this case, if Lisa doesn't answer, we're going to call Randy. So this is a Lisa being on call. So if she's chosen on call on the ER message form, it's going to go through the process of emailing, sending a text, and then calling her. And if she doesn't respond, then call Randy. And kind of just the opposite for Randy. So let's see this in action now on the FlexAI. So we'll bring up 9,000. My on-call schedule displays. And we're going to take an ER message form. Oops. And you can see it automatically imported Lisa into the message form. I can go over here to the dispatch script and see that's going to call, it's going to email the management team. It's then going to send Lisa a text and wait 15 minutes. It's then going to try and call Lisa, and then it's going to call Randy. I don't have that configured properly so my name shows up right, but you get the idea there. Now, if for some reason, say there's a special on this time-activated alert that says during this time period, send messages to Randy, you can still choose a different member, and now the dispatch script is changed to Randy. So it's going to still email the management team, it's going to text Randy, call his cell, and then it's going to call Lisa. And that's as tricky as it gets. That's a on-call, member-based script for a client for a message form. So any questions, give me a shout, shoot me an email. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the TASbiller channel and have a nice day. Thank you.